how to add a shop button to your Facebook page on your mobile. So, the very first thing we need to do is click on our profile picture in the bottom right-hand side and then go and click on the drop-down arrow next to your profile picture. Now just go and select the Facebook page that you want to add this Shop Now button to. So I'm going to click on my page like so. Now once you've selected your page, you need to click on the menu, again in the bottom right-hand side, and then go and select the name of your page. Now that should take you over to your profile page. And from here we can click on these 3 horizontal dots. You can then select Edit Action button. Click on Edit buttons and then scroll down to where it says View Shop. Now make sure this option is turned on and enabled. And then you can go and set up how you want to customize this shop button. So you can either have this so when people click on it, it takes them to your products directly on Facebook. To do this, you will need to set up a Facebook shop. You can also link it to another website. So you can have it so that when someone clicks this Shop Now button, it takes them directly over to your e-commerce website. All you need to do is go and type in the web address of your e-commerce shop. Once you've finished, just go and press Save at the bottom of this page. And just like that, we have now added a Shop Now button to our page on Facebook. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.